What's happening, everybody? It's Rob here from the Basement Bike Shop, and in this video I'm going to show you how to remove and install a freewheel. Now, whether it's the 16 tooth or the 14 tooth on the flip-flop hub, you need the freewheel remover tool and a bench vise. Now, they make tools that have the 3/8 hole in the center or with the 14mm hole. I have a 14mm. I find I can use it on either. You just gotta be a little more careful on the 3/8. Then we're gonna remove our axle nut and washer. And with the freewheel remover tool clamped into our vise, we're gonna line it up and then hold it steady as you do this so that you don't strip out the freewheel. And that's how you get it off. And that's all we'll use the freewheel remover tool for. We won't use it to put it back on. Otherwise it'll be so tight we'll never get it off. Then to install a new freewheel, we're going to clean up the threads and then put a little bit of grease on them so that the freewheel will come off easy next time. And then take your time to line up the threads. And then we're just going to thread it on by hand and then give it a final pedal pressure once we get it on the bike to tighten it all the way. And then we'll put it back on the bike the same way we took it off. Sliding it in the dropouts. Putting the chain on the freewheel first and then onto the sprocket and pedal forward a little bit. And then to set the chain tension, connect up the brake quick. What I usually do is I pull back on the tire and then tighten the non-drive side. We're going to loosen and readjust that side later. But that'll allow me to pull the tire sideways one way or the other and change the tension of the chain to exactly where I want it if you don't have chain tensioners. And then tighten that side down. Check for the tight spot in the chain. And then I'll loosen the non-drive side and set the tire to the center of the dropouts and then tighten it back up. And then with the brakes applied, I'll give the pedals a little kick, a little pressure, and tighten that freewheel on all the way. And that wraps it up for this video. Thanks for watching. If you like what I'm doing, you can hit that subscribe button and I'll keep these videos coming. If you don't want to miss my next video, you can turn on those alerts and you'll be notified when it drops. If you have any questions or suggestions for future videos, you can leave a comment below or you can send me an email. Thanks.